Hi, it's Architect, audio and visual specialist in Winchester. A little short video of a Range Rover Sport 2015. We've just fitted CarPlay into the OEM screen, so all controls are as per normal as far as the home menu, everything else that you'd operate from the original equipment. The only thing that's missing is the navigation, because the CarPlay unit is in place of the navigation. So you just press the navigation and you have CarPlay. As you'd expect, it has all the other functions of CarPlay, all controlled via the screen. Really nice. This is wireless CarPlay as well as wired CarPlay. It does Android Auto as well. We've done a neat little package. We've got a wireless charger here for wireless charging. It's actually just underneath here in the fridge section, so it keeps it cool as well, which is brilliant. If you'd like to have something like this, then please give us a call on 01962 886 900 or visit our website for our email address, etc. Thanks for watching.